If you're looking for a functional city commuter with reliability and safety, then take a look at this 2018 Fiat 500 in granite gray. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, electronic stability control, 15-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, eco spoiler, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, Fiat premium audio system, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 83 kilowatt electric motor, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6028.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.